Day 2. No soda. You know that scene in Fight Club where he's sitting there at the copier and he's talking about insomnia?
With insomnia, nothing's real. Everything's far away.
Well, that's how I felt today. That was day 2. I'm alert. I was a very good driver. First, I want to show the crappy driver of the day right here. Great job! And now the great driver of the day, which was this guy. Cue the cuteness.
Yeah. You gotta come to my side and see how we live. Yeah.
I weighed myself today and I have gotten fatter in a day. Kristin got her lip pierced again.
You got in your lip there?
I got a little piercing.
A little piercing?
Mm-hmm.
Great. How long do you think this will last?
I don't know.
Till it falls out.
Yes, till it falls out. I don't know.
What do you think, Jackson? You don't care. Do you care? Journey, you don't care? Journey. Journey. Journey, how could you? How could... It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay!
She likes to do this random lip piercing body modification ever so often. She hasn't got any tattoos in a while, but she usually, I guess, waits for summer for those. Ladies, you can't make up your mind with how you want to look. Y'all look fine. Stop changing stuff. What are you gonna do? Let's recap. I've gone about 48 hours, no soda, and I am fatter, more tired. We're off to a good start.
Hoodies.
Non-Starbucks coffee.
Non-corporate chain coffee.